look at this signboard on your left. So the straight road where it says Blackburn and Darwin, there's a green sign there. It's supposed to have a small knob telling you that that is your first exit. Yeah?
Yeah.
The second exit is where the M61, M6 Preston blue sign is, and it says junction 4 there.
Yeah.
That is your which exit?
Second.
Now that exit, if you look at that end, there's a small arrow at the knob. That means it's an exit.
Right, so my exit first, that's the second.
Yeah, so that's the second exit. Now this is the motorway roundabout, remember, signboard we're talking about there, yeah, because that's M65 roundabout there. If you look the third sign, it's like a small sign, but there's no arrow there. So what that's telling you, because you need to know, and this is why this is very important, this is M65 roundabout motorway. So one, to join the slip road motorway. The next one is the motorway coming slip road, but we cannot enter that. So it's a no entry for us. So it's like a dead. We can't enter that. If you look at the third one, it's saying Lower Darwin. So that is which exit now?
That's the third exit.
Third exit. You can see the very small arrow over there. If you check the next one, fourth exit.
Fourth exit.
Where is the fourth exit taking you?
Burnley M65.
Burnley M65. But if you look next to it, that means you got another slip road. So what do you call slip road? So again, can we enter on that one? We can't enter that one. Now, and if you want to come on this side, which exit would that going to be?
That would be you're coming to 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth.
Well,
if you come back around, you mean?
So one is a Blackburn where the knob is missing, remember?
Yeah.
Second is the Preston.
Yeah. 2.
Third is the Lower Darwin. Fourth is a Burnley.
Okay.
Which one would that be then?
I'll be my first. If I'm coming around like that.
Go around the
1,
roundabout.
2, 3, 4. I'll be a fourth.
Fifth.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No, this is not an exit. Exit is where you can.
Okay, where I get to.
So looking at a signboard where there's
M61.
So
M6.
Blackburn and Darwin, okay. A666. There's supposed to be a knob with the arrow. They didn't print it out over there. Right. That is your first. The sign you're looking at is starting with M65 and then services.
Okay.
Shall we do that?
M65 then services.
Yes.
Okay.
So we're gonna go around the roundabout. We're gonna take the fifth exit.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, let's do this whenever you're ready, please, for me. Good. Right. So we're gonna be going right at the roundabout, taking the fifth exit. What sign can you see ahead?
I'm seeing 40.
Well done. 40. Good. And the pedestrian and cyclist lane there. Okay. Now, because we're going right, what routine we have to use now?
I would use my center and my right.
Okay.
And indicate right.
Well done. Good. And then position, then speed and look. Yeah. Good. Good.
They have a light. So
well done.
Proceed.
You want to count the exits?
1.
Where's you have 1 on your left? This one?
2.
2. What it says on the floor?
M65.
Good. Do we count this in an exit or
no,
not?
We can't, because
what it says on the road?
That's M65.
And services as well. We're staying in where it says service. Which exit is this? No, stay in this one, relax. Which exit is this one?
3.
3, well done. Which exit are we taking?
4.
No, fifth.
Sorry. So then we indicate.
Yeah, so?
Center and left.
Did you check your mirrors before
indicating? No, I didn't
indicating?
check my left.
What is the risk have you taken?
Because they could someone.
Yes, let's do this again. Cancel your signal and let's try this again. Check your
center
and
left
and signal.
And signal.
Which exit is that one?
This is service.
Services. Yeah. That's which number?
5.
5. As you're entering, what sign can you see?
30.
Do you understand this a little bit?
Yes.
Would you want to do this again?
Yes,
with your own help?
Yes.
We're going round and roundabout on your right, 5th exit back to services. What do we do?
Reverse, signal, positioning.
So this roundabout here, both of people coming from under the bridge and from the motorway, they're controlled by the traffic lights. So make sure we never ever want to risk going too fast until you're 100% sure. Good.
There's
Count the exits.
1, 2.
Well done.
This one is not a dead exit.
And which exit are we taking?
You're taking the M65 and towards
Number,
M6.
so exit number?
65?
No,
Oh, 5, sorry.
5. Good.
Not an exit.
This is
3.
well done. Think about the lane discipline. And don't rush for the mirrors and signal, please. We don't need to do it over here. Relax.
Okay.
Relax. Which number is this one?
4.
Relax. Make it straight. What would you do now?
Mirrors.
Yeah?
Signal.
There you go. If you're gonna be doing on the bend, you might lose control, isn't
Yeah.
it? And
There's too
where's
much
your
to do.
yeah? Where's your fifth exit?
This one.
That one over there. How does this feel now?
Comfortable.
Better?
Yeah.